Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to go paperless on Citizens Bank. Open the website, then click Login. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Login. Now, log in with your online user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says My Accounts. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for paperless settings. Click on Paperless Settings. On the Paperless Settings screen, you will see a section for Turn on all paperless and alert options. To go paperless, click on the radio button beside On. After that, click on the tick box to acknowledge that you have accessed, read and agree to the e-sign disclosure. Then click on Save Changes. That's how you go paperless on Citizens Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.